Now what we're going to do for this final subtask of this project is we're going to be adding a loop. In the previous subtask, what we did was take only a single input, that is only one guess. Here we're going to make sure we have opportunity for multiple inputs. So what we can do is very simple. In the run guess function, we're going to add a line saying while true, which will lead to forming an infinite loop. Hence it won't stop until the actual number has been guessed. Now let's see how this code works with the while loop. So the number generated by the computer was 49, and since I've guessed it right, I've gotten the message over here which we gave. And as you can see, it can take infinite inputs. And over here the number is outside the range of plus or minus 10 of the actual number, hence we have given an output of code. Here the number is in the range of plus or minus 10 of 49, hence we have got an output of heart. So if you're watching this on YouTube, head over to CodeChef and try this project out yourself. And if you're already on CodeChef diving into the solution, great job, go on with the next project. And if you want more challenges, guided learning paths and mock interviews, you can try going pro on CodeChef and level up your developer journey. Thank you.